Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video, we're going to be talking about our SEO report tool and its functionalities. So our SEO report tool is just basically the search engine optimization, and it's used to have a better look of your website's optimization and your website's content. So to start, you want to put your URL and a keyword. I'm just going to put Builderall for this example, and my keyword will be Builderall. Once you click on send, it will show you a report of your website, as we can see over here. And once it's loaded, you can see that the total keyword usage for this page was an 11. We received a grade A with that keyword. And over here on the overview, you can see that our critical factors were all hit and our high relevance factors were also all hit. These are the two main ones that you want to get a higher grade or a perfect grade to see the optimization of your website. These three are also important, but they have less relevance on your website. We can go down over here and see that we hit all 4 critical factors. Those are these ones, the high relevance factors, and the moderate relevance factors. We hit 8 out of 9. We missed the keyword usage and image alt attribute. If you click on read more, it will give you a little explanation of how to do this or how you can achieve this factor over here. And you can scroll down and see all the other ones that you missed or were not reached. We can also use another keyword, for example, marketing, and you'll see that our grade will change. Well, it didn't change to a B, but you can see that over here it said 11. The total keyword usage for the page is set 11, now it says 8. It just depends on the keyword that you are using and how it relates to the URL. So we can go down and see that we hit all of these. Over here, you guys can see that this was different. We were at an 8 out of 9. This was not reached just because our keyword was not used in our URL. So we had Builderall before. Builderall is our URL, and it was used as our keyword. Right now, it's marketing. It is not used at all in our URL. So this is why we didn't get this score over here. But you guys get the point. And you guys can just keep scrolling down and keep checking another keyword to see your optimization, to see how you would like it, and just mess around with it just to check your website overview and its ranking on search engines. So this is basically it for the SEO report tool. This is going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.